Today I'm cooking sayur manis with black fungus soup. It is very simple and delicious. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 100 grams of sayur manis, washed and cleaned. This is what it looks like. It comes with the branches and we need to pluck the leaf off like this. 15 grams of dry black fungus, soak in the water for 30 minutes or until expanded and soft. This is what it looks like before soaking. 1.2 liters of water, 200 grams of seafood tofu, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 200 grams of crispy fried anchovies, and half teaspoon of salt. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements are in the see more link. Put all the water in the pot. Salt, sesame oil, pepper, and oyster sauce. Stir until all the seasoning dissolve. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. Next, cut the black fungus. Put a handful of black fungus together and cut into long strips. Add them in the soup pot directly. We don't have to wait for the soup to boil. Cover the pot and let the soup boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Add in the seafood tofu. Stir and cover the pot. Continue to cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid, add in all the sayur manis. Stir until they are all soft and have submerged in the soup. Cover the pot and continue to cook for 1 more minute. After 1 minute, the sayur manis should be cooked. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious! At this stage, more seasoning can be added. But for this, it is already perfect. Switch off the heat. Now I can dish out and serve. Sprinkle the sayur manis soup with some crispy fried anchovy. And we are done. Very simple. Let's eat. Oh wow! Delicious! Tasty and flavorful. The sayur manis and soup are sweet. The crispy texture of anchovy enhances the flavor of the soup. So good! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!